In this video, I will show you how to change LibreOffice's look and feel, so it will be your own. We start by changing the icon theme. Go to Tools in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu, click on Options. In the upcoming menu, choose your favorite icon theme. In the following 2 scenes, I will show you the 6 available icon themes of LibreOffice version 7.5. Here are the 6 available icon variations of LibreOffice, version 7.5. We can change the toolbar's background color with options and then personalization. See the 6 LibreOffice themes here. In every theme and color scheme, we can change the icon size. See the 3 different icon sizes here. Finally, we can configure the toolbar in different ways. We go to View and then User Interface. You find 7 variants of the toolbar look in the pop-up menu. Select your favorite one. These are a few ways to change LibreOffice's look and feel according to your preferences. If you know some more, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.